In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do lead management in free HubSpot CRM. By the end, you'll have a focused view inside contacts that highlights fresh leads and keeps your daily follow-up simple and consistent. First, log into your HubSpot account and head to the main home dashboard. From there, open Contacts. This is the central place where every person record, your leads, lives. In the free CRM, the fastest way to manage leads is to organize how you see them. So we're going to build a dedicated view that filters the list to exactly what you care about. Look toward the top of the Contacts page for the option to add a view and click the plus icon. This tells HubSpot you want a clean slate, your own lead management view, without affecting anyone else's lists. When the menu appears, choose Create New View. Think of a view as your workspace, a saved combination of layout and filters that you can return to every day. When prompted for a layout, select Table. Table is perfect for lead management because it gives you a sortable list with key fields and columns. Great for scanning, prioritizing, and taking action in bulk. Boards are helpful for pipeline stages, but for raw lead triage, a table is faster. Now click Advanced Filters. Filters are the heart of lead management in contacts. They let you segment leads based on any property you track. You might filter by when a lead was created, where it came from, or who owns it. For now, we'll start with a time-based filter that spotlights new leads. Click into the highlighted area to add your first filter. The property picker opens with a search bar, so you don't have to scroll through everything. In the search box, type Create Date, then select it. HubSpot will set a default of Create Date is today. That means your view will immediately focus on contacts added today, perfect for a daily call or email blitz. From here, you can refine further whenever you need. For example, you may later adjust the date to this week or last 7 days, or pair it with other properties like lead status or lifecycle stage so you can act on the hottest leads first. You can also sort your table by Create Date descending to see the newest at the top, and include columns like email, phone, owner, and source to speed up outreach without jumping into each record. You now have a practical, free lead management view built inside HubSpot Contacts that keeps your attention on what's new and actionable every day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.